this recording, I will show you how to create a bar and a pie chart. Once you have your information in Excel, you're going to go ahead and highlight it. After you highlighted your information, go to Insert, go to Recommended Charts, All Charts, and we're going to go ahead and start with the bar chart. So select Bar, and notice the different types of bar charts you can choose from. Select the one that you would like to use and click OK. And now your chart is displayed. Notice here we have our categories off to the left, and then female and male, we have that as our legend. You can switch that by using the switch row column. And now we have our female and male off to the left. And then for our legends, we have the people who drink caffeinated, decaf, or do not drink coffee at all. Also notice the different designs of this bar chart that you can choose from up here. You can also change the colors of your chart, and you can go to Quick Layout and choose how your chart wants to be, how you would like your chart to be shown. Now, you can also add labels to these axes here, and I will show you how to do. I'm going to add one for this horizontal axis. You go to Add Chart Element, go to Axis Titles. I'm going to choose the primary horizontal, and here I'm going to just change that to say number of people. To change the title of your chart, you will click on it one time and then click again. And notice that there is a dotted rectangle. And just notice I left click twice to get that. Once you have that dotted line, now you could change the name of your chart. And then you could click out of it. Now, if you would like this chart to be a pie chart, you can go ahead to change chart type, and then go ahead and click on pie. Once again, notice all the different pie chart designs you can choose from. I'm going to use this 3D pie. Click OK, and now it's been changed. Now you may notice that you don't see your categories of the people who do not drink coffee or who drink decaf or caffeinated, and all you see is just the male and female. And the reason why, because your pie chart is just showing that 100% of a group there. So to show individually, like how many in the male category and a female category who drink coffee or who drink decaf, you go ahead and I would split the data up, and I'm going to show you that here. So now I have my male in one category, and then I have my female in a separate category. So now I can show you exactly how many females drink coffee, who do not drink coffee, who drink decaf or caffeinated coffee. I will highlight that information, click Insert, go to Recommended Charts, All Charts, choose Pie, 3D, and click OK. And now it's shown. If I want to show the percentage of this, I can go through my design here and click on the design that will give me those percentages. And so now that's showing me that I have 14% who do not drink coffee at all, 23% who drink decaf, and 63% who drink caffeinated. Now to get this into a Word document, I'm bringing up Word here. But to get that in a Word document, you will go ahead and click inside the chart, do a right click, copy, and then just bring up your Word. Right click and then paste it. And now your chart is in your Word document. And you can also do that for your PowerPoint presentation also.